For today's video guys, na pag-open ko pala dito ng COC ko guys, tiningnan ko yung war namin. Grabe, banat na banat talaga yung kalaban guys. Bali 6 win streak na po na kami dyan guys. Ayan, siyempre hindi tayo magpapatalo guys, banatan natin, kakagigil. Ayan, yung number 2 muna banatan natin, mamaya lang yung number 1. Ayan, tiningnan ko yung clan castle, wala namang laman. Ayan, kamukhang kaya to. Okay, maguna tayo ng lawns, minions, baby dragon pala, sorry, baby dragon sa gilid, queen, healer. Yung trabaho ng queen dyan guys is patayin yung eagle artillery. Kailangan mapatay ni queen yung eagle artillery para maganda yung pasok ng miner at hog rider. Yan, kaya ba? So tingnan natin.
Baby, show me. I heard you look good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, they say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens, but I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions. She got a body like a cold thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a cold thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.
Ayan guys, na 3 star. Kinaya nga guys. Ayan, thank you guys sa panood nyo. Please subscribe lang. Thank you, salamat.